In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to booking.com. To get started, open your web browser and go to booking.com, the official booking website. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to fully appear so all the menus and account options are visible. This is the main place where you can manage your bookings, account details, and saved payment information. From the homepage, look to the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Booking keeps the account settings and personal options connected to your login. If you're not signed in yet, you may be asked to log into your account before continuing. Make sure you use the correct account so the payment method is added to the profile you actually use for reservations. After opening the profile menu, click on My Account. This will take you into the main account management area where you can adjust different settings related to your booking profile. Depending on the version of the site you see, the layout may look slightly different, but the account section should still be easy to find from the profile dropdown. Once you're inside your account, find and click on Payment Methods. This section is specifically where Booking allows you to manage the cards or payment options linked to your account. If you've already added a card before, you may see it listed here. If not, this page will usually be mostly empty except for the option to add a new one. Now click on Add Card. This is the option that lets you enter a new payment method and save it to your booking account for future use. After clicking, a form should appear where you can type in your card details. Be careful to enter everything accurately, including the card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Since this is sensitive financial information, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a secure connection and entering the details in a private setting. Once your information is entered, follow any on-screen prompts to finish saving the card. In some cases, your bank may ask for an extra verification step before the payment method is accepted. If that happens, just complete the verification as instructed, and that's it. By going to booking.com, opening your profile, selecting My Account, visiting payment methods, and choosing Add Card, you can add a payment method to your booking.com account quickly and easily.